a while. I hear your song and your little feet running down the stairs now to greet me. Oh, how I love to see your smile, my angel, my sweet one. I remember when you fit in my palm. Oh, rainbow, in these gray days, darling, you deserve a perfect birthday. The day is yours, spread your wings. We could start a family band or climb a tree or stay at home. My favorite thing, we'll cuddle close, a pillow fort and movies like every year, you and me. My angel, my sweet one. I remember when you fit in my palm. A rainbow in these gray days, darling, you deserve a perfect birthday. And you're growing, my sweet thing. Amazing, I'm learning to hold on and let go. My angel, my sweet one. I remember when you were so young. A rainbow in these gray days, darling, you deserve a perfect birth.
Happy 8th birthday. Wish sa'yo ni tita na pagbutihin mo lang pag-aaral mo. Tapusin mo hanggat kaya pa ni mama at ni Papa Jojo mo magpaaral sa'yo. Mag-aral kang mabuti. Good health lang. God bless.
Hi Rain, happy 18th birthday. Wish namin sa'yo, mag-aral ka lang mabuti at saka magpakabait ka sa mama at papa Jojo mo, and God bless sa'yo.
Hi Rain, happy birthday! Wishing you a good health always and many birthdays to come. Isa lang masasabi ni Tita sa'yo, Rain, mag-study hard ka para sa future mo and always ka makinig kay mama mo. Miss ka na namin. I don't know kung naalala mo pa kami kasi maliit ka pang nakasama namin, Rain eh. So, be yourself and enjoy every day and take care, Rain. And lagi mong isipin may mga tita ka dito nakapaligid na mahal ka. Lagi kang mag-iingat.
Happy birthday, Rain. Enjoy your day. Take care always. Always remember na love ka naman.
Happy 18th birthday, Heaven. Sana'y puno ng masaya at pag-ibig ang araw na ito at may all your wish come true, and ang wish ko lang din sa'yo is maging healthy ka at maging masunurin na bata.
I'm so proud of the person you have become, Heaven. I can't wait na makita pa yung mga kakayanan mo na experience na magagawa mo ngayon na magagawa mo pa sa kinabukasan mo. Yun lang.
18 ka na!
Happy birthday, Rai. And sana lahat ng wish mo is matupad. Huwag naman po yung negative thought, ha? Kasi makakasama sa'yo. Kaya nga negative thought. And anyway, mag-ingat sa pag-ride. And then, sundan lahat ang inutos si tita. And huwag pasaway, ha? Magpaalam bago mag-rides. Anyway, kumain sa tamang oras, alagaan ang katawan at sarili. Ha? Again, happy birthday to you, Rai. I love you so much. You are my greatest love. Ingatan ang sarili. Nandyan man ako o wala. Palagi akong katabi mo. I love you, Rai. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you so much. More than you know. More than times. I love you. Mag-iingat.
Happy birthday, Ate Rain. Kamusta ka na? Kaya ako okay lang. Senior high na ta. Graduate na ta. Congrats kalit sa imo. Congrats sa aton. Hoping you have a great 18th birthday and stay healthy, Preme. Ulit, happy 18th birthday.